It's me, Mikey Pipes. Happy Wednesday. Happy hump day. If you're on the Discord or WhatsApp, the links are down below. You got a sneak peek to this video. If not, happy hump day. And I am on my way to Puerto Rico for a nice 5-day long vacation. Anyway, I was contemplating posting this video or not. Look at the antenna in my head. I was contemplating posting this video, but it needs to be made aware. Here we have a service call. Customer has a ductless mini split system that is a little over 2 years old, and in the past 2 years, a HVAC contractor came 3 times to add more refrigerant because 3 of 5 indoor units are leaking. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. You gotta watch this. And the statement made by the client was, this is what happens when you let friends do HVAC for you. With friends like that, I'd rather have enemies. Thumbs up, subscribe, stay tuned. Here we go. Okay, no problem.
Alright.
Oh, it smells good in here.
Good. Glad to hear. Sorry.
It's a little warm in here, though.
It's very warm in here.
When did this problem start?
It has been off and on. The ACs have been charged 3 times.
And over a period of how long?
I guess from after the first summer we had them.
When did you have them put in?
This is our 2nd summer with them. We've never used the heating portion of them because...
So last summer you had them, and now this summer you have them?
Yes.
And it was installed before last summer, obviously.
I think it was installed,
2019?
Yes.
Before COVID?
Yes.
Okay.
Sorry.
It's okay.
I'm bad at this.
And how many units do you have?
We have this one in the bedroom upstairs,
Okay.
and then another big one in the other living room upstairs, and then we have 2 small ones in the 2 smaller bedrooms.
And they all stopped working?
The 2 smaller ones work fine. It's the 3 bigger ones blow warm air.
Where are those 3?
Here, my bedroom, the master bedroom, and the other big
Can
room.
you show me?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is
And
one.
the filters were cleaned 2 weeks ago.
Okay. Has it worked this season?
After being charged, it worked for a little bit. I guess we were told there's a leak.
Okay.
And maybe, or something else. I'm sorry. My husband is best at all this.
It's okay. It's okay. So this is one bedroom that works.
Yeah, these 2 work fine.
Okay. And this is the other one.
You can feel nice and
And they always worked.
Yeah,
never
had
a
an
problem.
issue with these.
Okay. So you have this huge room here. Nice view. Very nice.
This one, this is as cold as it gets.
Which is, it's ambient air. And the one in the living room.
And then my bedroom.
Oh, so you have 3.
3 that don't get cold. My bedroom probably is the worst.
You should trade rooms with the kids.
Yeah, right? My husband basically has.
And that one there, 64.
I usually have this close too, so that is...
Okay. All right, let's go see what's going on outside.
I don't think he's
Now
spent
you
a summer in this room.
Is that your husband doesn't
My
listen?
husband has not spent a summer in this room since we've had this.
You can't. It's too hot.
No, and then
I'm sorry.
and then I have one window unit still in the wall in the front that I run.
Okay.
It keeps my
Now
house cooler.
what's been going on since it's been installed? Now I know you said that you've added there's leaks.
Freon has been added 3 times.
By the installing contractor, or who?
Do
you know who put the systems in?
Nope.
Okay.
I don't have a lot of information.
It's okay.
It was a company in Brooklyn who had actually recommended us to a company in Staten Island who specializes in this brand.
Okay, LG.
Yes, but then he didn't want to travel out here and recommended your company.
To fix them?
To fix them.
Okay. Why did you go with LG, by the way? Because life's good. LG, life's good.
I have no idea why we did LG, I guess.
Alright, let's turn this on.
Here it's making a sound.
And
No, it's the condensing units hanging on the wall.
And then my husband loosened the cover on this thing.
Okay. Now, is this a sunshine or is that a snowflake?
Snowflake.
Yeah? You sure?
Yeah.
That's A, automatic. That's dry. That's sun. I guess that would be heat. Fan. Snowflake. So it's operational, just not functional. And they added refrigerant 3 times. Did they tell you why they added refrigerant 3 times?
There's a leak
Yes, correct. Okay.
somewhere.
Somewhere over the rainbow. So your unit is out here. I saw we
Yes,
pulled up.
and he loosened the bottom thing.
The bottom thing. What's
Yeah.
on the bottom thing? What is on that thing on the bottom? Well, we're gonna go find out right now.
Yeah, he said something about something is loosened for you.
Okay.
I'm the worst person to be here, but I guess.
No, you're not. You actually have a wealth of information, and it's valuable. Listen, I know the system's 2 years old. I know your husband doesn't sleep in the bedroom in summertime, and I know that you've added refrigerant 3 times because they're lazy, and they just want to make you go away, and that's not the answer. So hopefully I could make you happy.
Yeah, that would be great.
Yes. Let's go
Never
see.
used the heating portion. I don't even know what that's for.
So it can do both. It can give you air conditioning. It can also give you heat in the winter.
Nice.
Yes. How do you heat your house now? With gas or oil?
Gas.
Gas is cheaper. Unless you have solar panels on your roof.
Absolutely panels on my roof.
Then it's cheaper to use that.
Really?
Yes.
All right then.
Yes. Alrighty. What's below that?
It's something that is covered with that.
Something is covered with. Oh, no! Tell me what they have in here. Oh, what do they have in here? Don't tell me those stupid transfer switches, transfer boxes.
Oh, you think that's why it's working?
No, they have a distribution thing here. Oh man, what is this? And it's a box. Why do they over-engineer these systems? That really sucks. This really sucks. These need to be outside, not indoors. Here, you have a gift. Yeah, what's inside here is designed to be inside, not outside.
Oh.
How big is the coil? Not bad, not terrible. And that's stripping over there. I don't know if I want to touch this with a 10-foot. It's too much, but let's see what's outside, which is supposed to be inside. So, this is the 3, A, B, and C, that he has a problem on. And this is A and B, which works. However, this box, right, which is nothing here is watertight. This box needs to be inside as well as this needs to be inside as well. There's a reason why they're covered in foam. That's so it condensation. It's okay, puppy. It's okay. But horrible. Hi. How are you? Oh, I could be doing better. You have a system that should not have been installed in this manner.
Okay.
You have 2 transfer and distribution boxes that are designed to be installed in an indoor application.
Right.
I'm not touching this unless it's all ripped out and done the right way.
Okay.
That's my professional opinion. I would suggest that you go to the original installing contractor and have him rectify it. Having a plywood box covered with house wrap to try to keep it protected from the elements is just not a professional installation. You need to make this right, or you take them to court and go to consumer affairs and sue them. This is a for lack of better words, a shit show. Seriously.
Right.
And they didn't need to over-engineer it like this. You didn't need this kind of system. You could have had 5 units with one outdoor unit and done the right way. But they added so much more onto the system. Again, they over-engineered it, and then they put the electric boxes, which are not, they're not waterproof. They're not air. They're not designed to be outside. Yes, it's in a box that's covered with house wrap, but come on, you don't live in a shack in the bayou. Come on.
Right. Yeah, this is what. happens when you have friends come in and help you.
Sometimes friends like that, I'd rather have enemies.
Yeah, I know. You guys were recommended from him and his buddy.
From him?
Ray Ebro.
Who is he?
From Ray Ebro.
I don't know. Who is that?
They recommended you to come, but honestly, dude, I'm just gonna have to go back with him and just do whatever I have to do.
Yeah. So the problem is, based on what your wife told me, you have, and I'll document this for you on your receipt if you like. So you have two separate circuits. You have circuit 1 has room A, B, and C, and circuit 2 has room A and B. And if you notice, only two of your systems work well without any problem. So that's the problem is not there. The problem is in circuit A, B, and C, which is the bottom circuit. Somewhere in that system, there's a refrigerant leak.
Right.
And that's the reason why they keep adding. And listen, and I'll keep adding for you as well. But I'd rather not do that because if you touch something, you can become married to it. And this is just not. It's not the right installation.
Yeah, no, I completely agree with you. And I couldn't.
Yeah. Again, I just want to keep it real and be honest, and just give you the dead, blunt, honest, professional truth. So you need to go after it and make it right. And he's not going to be happy. He's not going to want to because everything's going to have to get ripped out. Everything.
Yeah.
All right.
All right. Well, that's just something I'm gonna have to deal with. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
You guys.
No, it's all right. I wish I could give you more comforting news, but unfortunately, it is what it is.
Yep.
All right. Thank you.
Well, thank you.
That was an absolute disgusting shit show. Seriously. A shit show. It's like putting lipstick on a pig. At the end of the day, it's still a pig. You know what I mean? But who on their right mind does that? First of all, it's over-engineered. You don't need all that stuff. And it's a waste of money. And second of all, it's an improper installation. And it looks kind of nice outside, but come on. Disgusting. So at the end of the service call, she's getting out her little wallet thing. I guess she wanted to pay me. And I'm not taking her money. Just not. You know what? My hour minimum charge is just not worth it. And I said, I think I handled that nicely. Refusing to take her money. I said, listen, we do plumbing, heating, air conditioning, and if a future need arises, please give me a call for that. But I could add more refrigerant to your system, but I don't want to take your money. I want you to solve the problem. And the only way to solve the problem is by ripping it all out and starting over. Sure. You don't have to rip it all out. You could put those distribution boxes in the attic where they belong and run the new wiring where they belong and do everything right the way it belongs and get rid of that plywood box that's wrapped in house wrap. It's outside. It's trying to protect these things from the elements. Come on, do the right thing. It's not right. Let me get your thoughts and feedback down in the comment section down below. If you want a sticker or stickers, Mikey Pipes Summer 2021 version 2.0 are still available, and I still got some limited edition 1.0s available. And just wait for version 3.0. If you guys haven't seen it on my WhatsApp and Discord group, I think you're gonna be laughing when you see it. Be well, God bless, stay safe. Damn, your shit got pushed back. Hope he's all right in there. Went to the back of the truck. Damn.
They pried him out of the door.
Did they?
Yeah, they had to, man.
Damn. Holy shit, your shit got pushed back, bro. First and foremost, I hope that Universe technician driving that work van, hope he's safe. And I hope no one got injured. It sucks, you're driving, 8, 12 hours a day to and from jobs. And I don't know what the reasoning for this accident was, but all I can say is it's very easy to be distracted. Make sure your eyes and your ears are on the road at all times. I hope he's okay and hope he's safe. And anyway, as I said to the homeowner in this video, I'm not going to touch this with a 10-foot pole until the deficiencies of the installation are corrected. You can have, and I looked online and looked at LG's website and the installation manual, you can't have those indoor branch distribution boxes outside. Just no bueno. But they could have easily put in a 6-zone condenser and called it a wrap. Like, why did they add that? The only reason for that maybe was having, one circuit on heating and one on cooling, but still over engineered. And I don't see much of this stuff that much, but nonetheless, that distribution box needs to be outside. All right. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Start smashing that thumbs up. And let me get your thoughts and feedback down in the comment section down below. Even criticism. Let me know if I did something wrong or I should have done something better. I don't want to get married to this project, but I also want to, give them the right professional advice on how to proceed accordingly. Anyway, let me get your 2 cents down below. And if you haven't done so already, consider supporting the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Thank you very much for watching. Be well. God bless. Stay safe.